Screw earbuds, man. They suck. Riding with a helmet and earbuds in the helmet freaking sucks so much. It's tilted a bit. That better, I think. And it just no. Okay. Better? Okay, better. What is up, everybody? My name is Midnight and welcome back to another video. Or first, don't look at my forehead, it's disgusting. Anyway, SMH10, I found this on, well, I got this from Cycle Gear. I literally just got back home like a couple minutes ago and got one of these. It's upside down. Got one of these. So, happy to say that I finally get to install it to this helmet. Let's get to opening this box and see what's inside. Now, I've never had any type of Bluetooth communication before. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, we got a little foam pad right here. We got the little. I should probably put this off to the side. I'll leave this out front. And then we have the unit itself, the SMH10. It's very small. I don't know if that'll fit on my back. Oh, plastic thing that came in. Oh, we got. What is this? I think this is the charger. Yep, it's the charger. Wait, what? Oh wait, is this like a car charger? I don't know. Boop, boop. And we got the instructions. 3M tape, we got the charger, and little speakers too. So they're like it's not a car charger. My bad. But I don't know why they would add this. Well, one thing I know for sure, I can charge my speakers finally. Oh yeah, and if you notice, both my speakers are gone. One fell off. You guys haven't seen it because the camera's on this side, but the other one got kicked off by my friend Devin. It's okay, Devin. I forgive you for it because you're gonna fix it for me. Anyway, let's get to actually installing this. It comes with the tools and stuff, and we got the instructions. Now, I have no idea how to install this, but one thing I know for sure from what my friend told me today, he said I have to rip the helmet apart. Okay. I don't want to break this. It's my favorite helmet. Freaking Velcro. Okay. We got that off. And we gotta take out these. This and that, and this and that. Yeet. And I will take this off. Where am I gonna put it? Down. Nani, the fuck just happened? What the fuck was that? Oh, it's like a green as sand. There, helmet's completely clear. Minus the other piece of thing. So, it's so roomy. And it sounds really weird in here. Wow, my helmet is dirty. Anyway, let's see. How do I do this? Okay, I should probably look at the manual. This is very detailed. Not very detailed, actually. So, I had a bit of a problem because my name right here on the side just being blocked off. So, I thought I should just put it like this. The mid's on top and then the rest of it's on the bottom. I also came into the problem where I don't know if this would fit if I had the speaker on. So I do plan on keeping these speakers on here. Alright, so let's see. And all of that. We got the little muffs. Probably should install these. Getting started. This product comes with a quick start guide. This guide can be downloaded on senadocuments.com. I'll be right back. Keep, okay. Speaker, you go here, and yeah, I'm gonna put the laptop like right here. That way, yeah, I can see it and still be within reach, and that's all my hentai.
First part of installation is loosening up 2 bolts in the back of the clamp unit, the Allen wrench.
Okay.
Several turns will get that
Gotta get that Allen wrench or hex key. Luckily, it came with the tool because I do not have a set of Allen keys with me. Okay, I want it here. Holla at your boy. I should loosen this a bit more. God, why did I have to add all this other random stuff on my helmet? I just wanted to look cool while I rode through New Jersey. Yeet, it's installed. Gosh, darn it. I still don't know what these do. And they don't really say anything about how to install it here. Okay, I have to look this up because I'm stupid. The helmet has deep ear pockets. You can use the speaker pads to place the speakers closer to your ears. Oh. And let's not tangle this all off. So this one is the farther one. So this goes in through here. That's just that. Oh wait a minute. I think I found something out. If I'm correct. I'm so stupid. They're pretty big. Yeah, they're pretty. I can't see anything. Should have turned on the light. There we go. Yeet. Install this first. Now I would use a heat gun to put this. Wow, I'm going on for 20 minutes. I would use a heat gun to heat this up a little bit, but at the moment I do not have one, so I'm just gonna have to deal with this. Which one, guys? This or this? I think I would use this for the other helmet. I think I would use this for this helmet though. Okay, I think this is the wired microphone vacuum. Sorry about that, guys. My roommate ordered some new tires for his truck, and the delivery guy, just finally came over and dropped it off for us, or for him, and I had to go inside it. So it's not that I'm complaining. Those tires are heavy. They're like sitting right there right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like right under here. Yeah, that should be fine. It's not gonna cause me any problems, hopefully. Watch me say that now, and then it's gonna cause me problems. So I think right now I'm done. So I can just put all of this away. Now, where are the pads? There are my pads. Let me just put this chair forward a bit. Am I still gonna be in view here? I'm gonna be farther back. That's... You know what? That's a bit better. Where was I again? Oh yeah, I was just in the middle of installing all the padding back in, and I think I might have to go reach into the cabinet. I'm gonna have to. Grab a knife. I hope my roommates don't mind that I do steal their knives. Nope, can't use this. Borrow this one. Right here. This is like the smallest one that's not broken. Not gonna lie, this knife is actually pretty big. I'm gonna cut it like around there. Like right next to the thing. There we go. Got that little piece off now. So, yeah, I just made a little cut. Now I made a little cut further out. Because I put it apparently too close to the freaking helmet. Or to the little clamp that I have to put it on. Okay. It's finally installed. Now I'm gonna have to try this on and see if it works just fine. Maybe I'll install these on. Oh, you know what? Having this on actually kind of works kind of well. So, okay. How do I turn it on? So it's jog dial and phone button. So that and ooh, hello. Ooh, that's fancy. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave that as it is. So yeah, that was the SMH10 install. It's kind of fun, minus the last part, but what can I say? So yeah, to anyone else, it probably would have taken like half an hour to install. For me, it took like an hour, because gosh darn it. But you know, at least I don't have to use these stupid earbuds anymore. Unless I'm gonna use it to record. So I'm gonna try and use that. I'm gonna start pairing it to my phone, and you'll probably see it in like a couple weeks, maybe next week if I do a compilation video. So yeah, I even say even off the bike. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more of not my motorcycle adventures, but more of what I do. But until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one.